What is up, garden friends? My name is Jason with Jason's Gardens, and welcome to my garden. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 3 reasons why you should build a square-foot garden in your backyard. Let's get into it. Shh. The reason why I'm making this video right here is because I know for new gardeners and people who are just growing vegetables in their backyard, it can be very hard and confusing to grasp everything that you must do and what you must not do to get a productive garden. But overall, let's get into the 3 reasons why you should build a square-foot garden in your backyard. Let's go. My first reason why you should build a square-foot garden in your backyard is overall production. Growing your plants in a square-foot garden increases its production because since everything is isolated to 1 square foot, each plant that is within that square foot, or how many ever are in that square foot, can grow to its maximum size and not be limited by an overcrowded bed, which is a really big reason why someone who is just starting off with gardening or has limited space should definitely go the square-foot gardening route. The second reason why you should build a square-foot garden in your backyard is because of overall pest and plant diseases. In an overcrowded garden bed, it is very common to get diseases like blight and powdery mildew. But in a square-foot garden, it is very easy to manage and protect plants that are getting either a pest attack or are not being properly watered. You can tell by the fact that everything is so well separated and orderly. Unlike an unmaintained bed, it can be to a point where you don't find out until it's too late, which makes it very easy for beginner gardeners to diagnose different plant diseases and different pest attacks and fix them immediately before they get too worse. Which is why I made this the second reason why I built a square garden in my backyard and how it has benefited me. It can become so painstaking to have to come out here every day, check under every leaf to make sure everything's okay in your garden. Which is why I feel like having a square garden, being able to see everything around you. You can see like, oh, I got a zucchini here, have some collard greens right here. You can see everything with a clear eye view and not have to search and spend tons and tons of time making sure everything's okay. Which is why I feel it's the best way to go for anybody who is starting out gardening like me, or who has been doing it from up to 30-40 years of their life. But in all, guys, if you want to get yourself one of these delectable tomato plants, enter into the giveaway. If you want more of the giveaway details, check out our last video, the finale of building a garden during quarantine. There's a timestamp in there so you can go directly to all the giveaway details, as well as there's going to be a video catered to the giveaway details. But in all, hope you guys have a beautiful day, and let's get back to the outro. Try out square-foot gardening, look up some more information on it because it's a very easy way of gardening and getting a ton of production. I've only shared 3 ways, but these are just the 3 ways that it's helped me out as a first-time gardener myself. But in all, I want you guys to have a beautiful day, live life, try new things, and have a great day, much love, peace, I'm out. We got new videos coming very, very soon, guys, so stay tuned, and see you guys later. Peace! Woo!